we have a winner. What do we say, boys?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That's right, we've got a winner. Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. This time I've got my two handy helpers here today. We're going to be talking about Leathermans, why I like them so much. Well, mainly because my last name is Leatherman, but I'm not related to them, but I do love them and why I love them. Second thing is, we're going to be talking about our contest that we had. We have a winner. What do we say, boys?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That's right, we've got a winner. Yes, his name, which I keep forgetting, is Holden McConnell. Congratulations! He has won this Leatherman. Now, this Leatherman, I told you guys, was the very first Leatherman that I ever received, which started my whole craze on Leathermans. So, let's see if I could get my helper here to help me cut this so we can see what it is. Well, we can't use that to cut. We need a knife. Can you find a knife for me?
Oh! Okay.
Oh, he's already got it for me.
Come on.
That's your hand.
Yeah. These Leathermans are very sharp. There we go. Let's see what it is. Wait. I know, I'm the same way when it comes to Leathermans. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Isn't that cool? It is called the Leatherman Wave Plus. Now, my first one was just a regular Leatherman Wave. This one is the Plus, which comes with more bells and whistles. So I talked to Holden, and he says he had a Leatherman, and it was a Wave, but this would be his first new one. So Holden, now you have a Leatherman, a Wave Plus. And Holden's a firefighter, so we know that he's going to get good use out of this. And it comes with a pouch, which I use my pouch all the time for work. My favorite is the Leatherman 300 Super Tool. I've had this for many years. I've broken it several times, but all you have to do is go to leatherman.com, fill out the report, send it to them, they repair it for you, and send it back at no cost to you. The first time I broke a safety back here. The second time I snapped off one of the pliers, they repaired it and sent it right back to me. So that's another reason why I love Leathermans. My other favorite one is this one right here. It's the Super Tool 300, but it's the M version. It is slightly different, and it has neat things such as little nail bar and stuff like that. It also feels really good, just like my other ones. So these are my two favorites. I keep this in my toolbox. This one is the Handy Wipes. This is the Skeletal, which is really cool because it has a little clip on it. And it doesn't have a lot of tools with it, but this one's called the RX. It has a screwdriver here with an extra replaceable tip. You can pull it out, and it has the Phillips on the other side, but it also has a spike for breaking glass in the case of emergency. So that's a really neat feature for safety, as it were. It keeps it right here in the side. So this is a really cool tool. She uses this at work. She really likes this one. Plus red makes it easier to see. And then, last but not least, my Leatherman Wingman. I call this my casual Leatherman because it's got the belt clip on it. And what I like about this one, you do not have to open it to access the knife. So you have the knife right here on this side.
Oh, there's the knife was.
Yeah. And then there's the scissors. So those are quick accessibility without opening it up to grab a knife in a pinch for stuff. That's why Liam there could not find the knife because he had it all the way open. So that's a good thing to know. But I love Leatherman so much, and so I wanted to do this video to show you guys why I love them and what I have, and to announce the winner. So congratulations, Holden. I hope you really enjoy this. And thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's really short, but we just wanted to share a little bit of love for the appreciation and show our appreciation for you guys, my supporters, my followers, who just give me so much encouragement. It's been over probably a year and a half now, and we are getting so much subscribers, and so many people just giving me such a good encouragement. I just wanted to say thank you. So give us a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And I want you both to tell our viewers here to stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble. Stay out of
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble.
All right.
You too, Dinah.
Yeah. You too, Dinah.
Yeah, Dinah.
Okay, let's go play with our knives.